Welcome to our guide on roof replacement insurance claims. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know, including common mistakes to avoid and frequently asked questions. Mistake number 1 is not understanding your insurance policy. To avoid this, review and understand your policy thoroughly. Mistake number 2 is delaying the claim process. To avoid this, file your claim promptly after noticing the damage. Mistake number 3 is not documenting the damage properly. To avoid this, document the damage with photos and videos. Mistake number 4 is not hiring a qualified roofing contractor. To avoid this, research and choose a qualified roofing contractor. Mistake number 5 is not reviewing the insurance settlement. To avoid this, carefully review the insurance settlement offer. Now, let's move on to the most asked questions about roof replacement insurance claims. We will cover how the insurance claim process works, whether your insurance premiums will increase, how long the claim process takes, what documentation you need, whether you can choose any roofing contractor, whether your insurance will cover the full cost, what happens if your claim is denied, whether you should get multiple estimates, whether you can upgrade your roof during the replacement process, and what to do if you discover additional damage during the roof replacement. Finally, remember that you can always reach out to us for a free roof replacement quote. Thank you for watching.